welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through these two fault codes, P200800 P004500. Intake manifold runner bank 1, turbocharge, supercharger boost control A circuit open. Sorry, I'm reading it through the phone, I don't know why. I'm getting old guys. So this is the 1.4 Skoda 5-year diesel engine. If you've got this, the engine light's on, and you're in lit mode, a lot of people think, well, my turbo's gone maybe, or manifold's gone, but reality is it's not. This fault code is very common even in the Mercedes world, BM as well, but in this case I'll show you exactly where to find these two and where to point out. So this one is to do with the sensor here, that's it there, and we recommend you get original OEM sensor. They are known for it to go, and when they do go, the valve's in there, so it should blow air in one way and go out the other way, but sometimes it kind of leaks through inside, and the valve doesn't open and shut. And it's the same with this one as well. Again, gives you wrong reading and gives you no power at all, in other words. We always say, if you're getting this, make sure you do a smoke test, make sure there is no leak within the air system, all is well, solid. But reality is this one is to do with the top one here. Make sure you take pictures and have a record of all these pipings, because you don't want to put the wrong one in the wrong place, otherwise you're going to lose power, and it's happened before. And this one, like we said, is to do with this one, but that's where they are.